Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. And today, apparently we're going to do one of the hardest jobs on the Mini. What's that?
We're going to fit the
steering rack. So we're going to fit the steering rack. So apparently this is dead hard, but if you're a genius like I am, you don't have a front subframe in, which means it should be a piece of piss. So for that, what you'll need one of these, which is like a little foam bum to stop water coming in the car. You're going to go show them? Go to the camera and show them. And you'll also need two of these. Let's go show them. So they're the brackets, and as you can see on there, just show them that plastic bit. So there's a plastic washer that everybody goes on about that you must use. So I bought them for 50p or whatever they were. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount this, and then I'll show you what else I've been up to. Right, so we've got Holly. Where are you?
I'm in the Mini.
You're in the Mini. That apparently people say I don't own, but I do. Do I own a Mini?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're sat in it, aren't you? So what Holly's going to do is I'm going to push these through once I've got the steering rack in position, and then Holly's going to put a washer and a nut on them, and I'll show you that side as well. There you go. Look at that. Right, so let me tilt the camera down. I think that can get most of it. So, where's my little foam thing?
Right, what side are you doing?
So that's got that there. I'm going to do this side first. You should see it come through in a second. Have you got it?
Yeah, there we go.
So I'll put a washer on and then a nut.
Yeah, we've got two washers on. No. I don't think I put the knots on tight enough.
No, it's okay. It's holding it, so you must.
It's just at the end.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Right, let me just get down here so I can push this on. And can you see that other one now?
Yeah, I'm just fixing the other. Okay.
Let me take them inside to show them what you're doing.
I can't put the other one on.
Why has it not come through enough?
Tight enough. I don't know.
Okay, try these two then. So a washer and then a nut. Well done. And then the top one. Washer. Excellent. Let's try the other one again.
Right. So I know that it was on
Not that way, the other way.
the other.
That's where. Oh. There we go. Perfect. So let me just pause the video there. So that's the steering rack in place. Was it hard, Holly?
Yeah.
It was hard. Yeah. No, it wasn't. Right, so that's the steering rack in place now. So we'll tighten them up in a minute. How many times did we do these, Hol?
13.
13. So this was off Cole's video, just to get a general baseline. So we tightened them up 13 times either side, and we've just locked them off. So now I'm going to show you what else I've been up to. Right then, so we're back in the garden now, and this is what I've been doing. Now it just looks, because Holly's head's in the way and my head's in the way, it just looks like a normal subframe that I painted ages ago. But it isn't, is it?
No.
Why is it not? Fitted all the parts.
We've fitted all the parts on it.
We have. So should we show them? Right. So Holly's going to tell you what we've fitted. So what's this, Hol?
A cone.
A rubber cone. What's inside?
A
high-low. What's this?
top arm.
Top arm. A hub.
A hub.
What's that?
Bottom arm. And Tie
arm. Right, so this is what we've fitted. So as you can see, bolts, polyurethane bushes. Some people complain about them. I've had them on cars previously and I liked them, so we'll see how we get on. A new bump stop. We've got the Mini Sport high-lows with brand new knuckle joints. We've got top arms that have got brand new bearings and slider and
bolts and washers.
Bolts and washers, that's right. We've got a new lower arm there. I know a few people have issues with these. These are from Minimime and I didn't have a problem at all. I've had these for years, powder coated bottom arms and adjustable tie arms that I got from IMM this year. It was almost the same price for them as it was to just buy the nuts and bolts basically for either side, and they came with them. And I've got polyurethane on there as well. I've got polyurethane in there. The hub has got brand new ball joints on, as you can see. It's got a brand new
washer bolt,
shock bolt, and it's got a lower, and then inside is my Timken bearings. It all needs a tidy up again just to do it. So I'll put you back on the tripod and I'll talk about some of the issues I had with this. So I did start to film all this, but it was an absolute headache, and it'd have been a minute on video, and nobody wants more of them on the YouTubes. So
it was like 11 hours.
Thanks for that. I don't think it was quite 11 hours, but it was a long time. So what I would suggest, just a couple of tips that I found and people helped me out with. One of the things I found is I fitted that first. I've noticed on a couple of videos people don't, and I don't see why, because if the rubber cone's not in there, it's much easier to get that in. So that was in first. Rubber cones, I had massive issues with these. I've got some practically brand new ones, but
people don't have a problem with them.
Yeah, but I did. I've got two cone adjusters. I can't remember what they're called. The big arms to tighten it, to compress the cone compressors. So I've got two big cone compressors, but none of them would fit these threads on either side. So I've had to go for some older ones. There's still quite a lot of life left in them. Then went for we've got the Mini Sport high-lows. And if you don't know, they do take a larger, you will have to go to Mini Sport for the knuckles as well, because I think they're 22mm or 21mm and the standards are 19. So again, it's got brand new ones of them. William Murphy ages ago did these for me, because you need a slide hammer, and I don't have a slide hammer, so William Murphy did them for me ages ago. So again, brand new fitting kit and everything. When you do buy these refurb kits for the top arms, be aware that they don't come with new nuts and bolts. That's a separate thing, so you have to buy that. I bought a new shock bolt, which comes with a spacer and the washers. The old ones are absolutely, well, one, I don't know where they are. I found one, in fact I found one the other day and it was knackered anyway, so bought them from Minimime. Let's have a look. The hub, as you know, I had an issue with one of my hubs, and then I bought a hub and it turned out to be for a drum, which was my fault. It was listed as that, I just got excited and bought it. So I had to buy another hub, so I could get the tie arm off of it, and I had issues with my other hub anyway. Got brand new Timken bearings in there, you've seen the video for that. The tie arms, they are adjustable. I wasn't too minded about adjustable. It gives me some sort of flexibility. Again, spoke to Turbo Cooper Steve, because I wanted to set them in just a normal standard setting. He gave me a standard setting, but I do have some standard tie arms anyway, and I just used the bolt holes and measured them up, and they're roughly about the same. It'll need some adjustment, so it's going to need alignment and everything like that anyway. The other thing that I have fitted, I've fitted brand new inside here, brand new little rubber like bungs basically. Are you copying what I'm saying? Like little rubber bungs in there to stop the tie arm from drooping too low. They were an absolute pig to get in. The tie arms were a ball ache to get it. The front top arms were a ball ache to get in. But that was really it. Trying to think of anything else. So if you are doing a full subframe rebuild, try and go for everything new. I would. That's what I did with this, and
just that's all.
That's it. But it's still got plenty of life left in it, and I'm happy with it for now. I have got them other ones. I'll keep them in storage if I ever want to replace them. had a bit of a issue. Go away, dog. I had a bit of an issue with the camera there. So yeah, we'll just finish off. I'll put some nice fancy shots in this. Like I say, it does need a bit of a repaint because when you're bashing them about and trying to fit them in, they do get scratched up and stuff. But I just want it to look nice for a first mile of it going down the road, really. So yeah, I think that's all. Any questions? I'm happy to help. There is more experienced guys out there, definitely, than me. But you know, we're going to be fitting this in the next video, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to have a go at fitting it. So thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed that. Anything you want to say? No? No? Say please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good day.